Hey, what's up everyone? This is John with Green Eden. Just wanted to put a video together today, show you how I make my living soil mix for seed starts using just 4 ingredients. It's real simple, and it's going to give you a mix that's going to get your plants established quick, give you healthy, great growth to start off with whatever you're doing. The 4 ingredients we're going to be using here: peat moss, perlite, compost, and our Endoboost Pro mycorrhizal plant biostimulant. First off, the peat moss is going to make up the bulk of the soil. It's going to give you your water holding capacity. One important thing to note with the peat moss is it's hydrophobic, which means it doesn't take water in real well. So you want to make sure you're going to get water to it and then test it, give it a good squeeze. Make sure you're not getting any water leaching out of there. You don't want to make mud. You want a nice firm consistency that kind of crumbles apart. Again, that's going to give you your water holding capacity so that your plants can take up the water that it needs. The perlite we use for aeration and drainage. We're going to use equal parts of the perlite and the peat. I just used a 5-gallon bucket, fill them up equally. And again, the perlite is going to let water leach through the soil, so you're not getting your seedlings waterlogged. You're not inviting root rot, pests, anything like that. It's also going to let oxygen get down to the root zone, so the microbes and everything else can work to feed the plants. Third component is quality compost or vermicast. This is just a store-bought compost. I don't have any vermicast right now. My worms are still working at that. That's what I prefer to use. The compost is what makes the base of the living soil, really. It's going to add a lot of biology, beneficial bacteria, and some plant available nutrients. Not enough that's going to burn your plants, but enough that's going to get them off to a good start. Along with that, the fourth component, we're using Endoboost Pro here. This is a mycorrhizal fungi blend with beneficial bacteria, trichoderma beneficial fungus, and some other plant biostimulants. And that's what really makes the living soil. The mycorrhizal is going to colonize your plant roots. It's going to be able to expand your root zone, make sure your plants are getting all the nutrients and water that they need. So again, real quick, equal parts perlite, peat, half of that amount in compost. We have about 5 gallons of mix here. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the Endoboost Pro. Make sure you have good moisture, wet it down, test it as you go, and you end up with this living soil mix for seed starting. It's going to get your plants established quick, keep them healthy, get them off to a good start. If you need more information, go to greeneden.co. Got all kinds of stuff there about all the mycorrhizal beneficials, microbes, everything else that we have. Appreciate your feedback, especially those that have been using our products. I appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Peace.